In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode in Perplexity AI web version. If your screen looks a bit too dim or you simply prefer a brighter interface, switching off dark mode in the web version of Perplexity AI is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it step by step, and I'll point out exactly where to click so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening your Perplexity account in a web browser. Make sure you're on the web version, not a mobile app, so the layout matches what you'll see here. Once the site is open and your account is visible, look toward the upper right corner of the page. That's where you'll find your account menu. It may appear as your profile picture, your initials, or a small avatar icon. Click that to reveal your account and settings area. From the menu that opens, select Account and Settings. This takes you to the settings page where all your personal and display preferences live. The layout may include a side panel or tabs, but the option you're looking for is labeled Preferences. Go ahead and click Preferences to open those customizable options. Inside Preferences, locate the section called Appearance. This is where Perplexity AI lets you control how the interface looks. Appearance usually offers choices like dark, light, or sometimes system, which follows your computer's theme. Since we want to turn off dark mode, focus on changing that setting away from dark. Click the control in Appearance to turn off dark mode. Depending on your version, this may be a toggle you switch off, or a set of options where you select light. As soon as you make the change, the interface should update right away to a lighter theme. If the page looks brighter and menus and backgrounds are now light, you've successfully turned off dark mode. Most of the time, Perplexity saves this automatically, so you don't need to hit a separate save button. If the change doesn't appear instantly, give it a second to apply, then navigate to a different page within Perplexity to confirm the setting has stuck. That's all there is to it. You've opened your account, gone into Account and Settings, clicked Preferences, found Appearance, and switched off dark mode. If you ever want to switch back, just return to the same Appearance section and choose dark again. Enjoy the brighter look, and thanks for watching.